In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery in Odoo website. If you want to give your customers the option to pay when their order arrives, Odoo makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to change so cash on delivery becomes available on your website. To begin, open Odoo and go to the website section. This is where you manage the settings and features related to your online store. Once you're inside the website area, look for the configuration menu. Click on configuration to open the available setup options. From there, click on Settings. This is an important section because it gives you access to the main website and e-commerce preferences. After the settings page opens, go to Payments. This is where Odoo lets you control which payment methods are available to your customers during checkout. Inside the Payment section, you'll need to either click on Find a Payment Provider or directly select Cash on Delivery if it's already visible in the list. If you use the Search or Provider Finder, this helps you quickly locate the payment option without scrolling through everything manually. Once you open Cash on Delivery, the key setting to look at is the provider state. You'll need to choose between Test Mode and Enabled. If you're still checking that everything works correctly on your store, select Test Mode. This is useful because it allows you to verify the setup without fully launching it to real customers. If your store is ready and you want shoppers to actually use cash on delivery at checkout, set the state to enabled instead. This part is especially important because the state determines whether the payment method is only for internal testing or fully active on your live website. Taking a moment to choose the correct option can help avoid confusion later, especially if you're preparing for a launch. After you've selected the appropriate state, click Save. Saving confirms the change and applies the payment method configuration to your Odoo website. At this point, cash on delivery should be added based on the mode you selected. If you chose test mode, it's a good idea to review the checkout flow and confirm the option appears as expected. If you enabled it for live use, customers should now be able to choose cash on delivery when placing an order. And that's it. That's how to add cash on delivery in Odoo website quickly and correctly.